Hello guys, welcome back into another video, and today we are going to discuss about the coding question which are like generally asked in the JavaScript interview. So let's get started with that particular things which we want to like discuss. Okay, so I already created the separate folder for the interview question series, and in this particular series we are like previous series is continuing, but previously I just mentioned the question, but now I am just providing the solution for that particular question as well. So the in the particular this video we are going to discuss some basic coding question which ask in the like React front end developer interview. Okay, so let's see. The common question is the like reverse a string without using built-in function. So basically with the string we have some splice method, and by using that we are reversing string, but they generally ask like don't use the built-in methods. Without that you can also reverse a string. So we have to do that, and here I took a one string. I just put simply my name, and we have to like revert that without built-in. Okay, so what we need another variable, like we need another empty string. Okay, then what we need one for loop. With the help of for loop we have to iterate all the things and then put it into a one simple thing. So that's why we need a let I equals to data dot length. So basically dot length is a property which will present with the array as well as string, so we use that property. Then I is less than or equals to what, 0, because we have to reverse that, right? Then I minus minus, why? Because we are just from the ending to start, so in the negative manner, right? So for that we need to do that. Then we declare one variable empty string that we have to like put all the value of this particular data of I. If we simply like add this I here, it will give the index value, but if you did data of I, that means the we are putting the string value, not a index. We are putting that index value at that instead of index we are just putting that value. Then what we just need to do like console log, and the shortcut is if we put directly log, we'll get with that. Yeah, that's the thing. Control yes, then open a terminal, went into that particular directory. If you are not present in that particular directory, okay, cd js interview. Okay, then just run node, the file name .js, and just run. Okay, let's see what happened. We just reverse a string, right? What we I will explain the code as well. Look at here. Okay, the purpose of this empty array, like empty value of that particular variable, is what we have to push value, right? Then we need one for loop. For loop for what purpose? The iteration of that particular things. Okay, then firstly we need to like go from the reverse. Okay, and for that what we need, the like length of that particular string. Here the value is just 6 7. We can directly put that, but it's not a proper way, because in some cases where if the string value is 1000 character, then what we will do, how we will read that? That is not practically possible as a human, right? So for that we need a dynamic way, a proper approach. So with the help of length property we are just finding the exact length, but always remember with the string indexing it will start from the 0. So you have to like, if length is 7 it will show up to the 6 character because you start from the 0. So we need to mention that length minus 1, because if actual character is 7 it will show 0 to 6, right? But what exactly we have? 7. So that's why we need these things. Okay, like length minus 1. Then I is our, always remember our I is always like greater than or equals to 0. Why? Because we are coming from the like higher index to the lower, like from the ending to start. So it will not in the negative direction, right? So that's why we need a greater than 0 or I value. Then I minus minus. Basically, I minus minus means it will decreasing by 1. Okay. Then here with that particular empty string, we are just pushing our value to that particular. Instead of this data. Like if I simply, okay, I will comment this line and I will show you exactly, so you guys also understand the what is the meaning of this particular thing. So okay, so now what I am doing, I am just pushing the value of, I am just pushing I here. Okay, so let's see the output, so you guys also get some clarification. Okay, what happening, what it will showing, it will showing the result of not a exact string, it will just giving the index in the reverse manner. So that's why what I did, I pushed the value of that particular data, not only the like index. Okay, so this is the case where we have to like think about these small approaches. Okay, now the what happened, we will get our string in the reverse manner. So this way we can reverse a string without using a built-in methods. Okay, always remember these things. So guys, like don't think too much about that things, it's a very simple and basic question. Yeah, we have some other approaches as well to handle these things, but in if they didn't mention that a built-in function and you are able to that, but generally try to avoid these things. If they told you like don't use, then this is a simple. Okay, only how much line, 4 line code is there, we need to like write that, and I think it's not that much hard. And if you are a fresher, you guys definitely 10 out of 9 interviewer will ask you this question. So please practice as much as, build your own logic, have that clarity in your mind while giving the interview, like which kind of question they ask. Don't get confused and don't get panic, just take your time. If sometime you get confused, take a 1 minute pause and then start the coding. If they ask you question and it doesn't mean like you have to start writing code within like 10 second, 5 second, it's not like that. If you took a time of 20-30 second to think about that particular question, how to solve that in your mind, and then start execution of that particular things, it will give the more better approach. And the interviewer also think that yeah, he didn't judge you like yeah, he just like learn or that that particular code, he just like remember that particular code and he's just typing. No, and always look into the straight of the your camera, laptop camera, that eye contact with the interviewer. And then while typing the code, just try to explain little bit about that particular code as well, that particular line, so it will give more clarity about your thought process and your logic, all these things, and it will show your confidence that you are capable of doing something, you have something different than the other candidate. So thank you guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you guys.